Hello students, we're still talking about linear equations as y equals mx plus b, m being the slope and b being the constant. Now how to graph these, we have two methods. Number one, I covered this in the previous video. The first method would be to find out x and y coordinate intercepts, which will be simply setting y value at 0 and then x value at 0. Y equals 0 values would be any number on the x-axis, and x equals 0 would be any number on the y-axis. Now, connecting these 2 points gives us the graph for y equals 2x minus 2. In this video, I'll be talking about the next method, which is rise over run. For this method, first we will find out the y-intercept of this graph, y equals 2x minus 2. And from the previous video, we know that this point is 0 minus 2. So I'm going to place that again here for 0 minus 2 point. Now the next thing we will look at is the rise over run. What does this mean? If the rise over run for 2x minus 2, which is the slope, for any 2 points, 2 units that we count towards the y-axis, we will move 1 as run, and this is how we determine the next point on our graph. Now looking at our xy coordinate here, we have the first point on the y-intercept as 0 minus 2. Now applying this knowledge here would give us 1, 2 points rise, and then 1 unit run, which will bring us to this point with coordinates x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. Now the next thing we have to do is to connect these points to make this graph complete.